In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file to an email in Gmail on desktop browser. We'll walk through the simplest, most reliable ways to add files to your messages so they send correctly the first time. Everything here is for Gmail in a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. First, open Gmail and look to the top left corner of your inbox. Click the Compose button. A new message window will pop up, usually in the bottom right of your screen. This is your draft. You don't have to write anything yet if you don't want to. We're focusing on attachments. Along the bottom of that draft window, you'll see a small toolbar. Click the paperclip icon, which is the Attach Files button. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the location of the file you want to send, your Documents folder, your desktop, or anywhere else. Then click the file to highlight it. If you want to attach more than one file at once, hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking multiple files, or use Shift to select a range. When you're ready, click Open. You'll see a quick upload indicator, and then your attachments will appear at the bottom of the draft. A helpful tip if you prefer speed, you can drag and drop files straight from your computer into the body of the email draft. Just click and hold the file on your desktop or in a folder, drag it over the draft window until you see the drop zone, and release. Gmail will upload it automatically. This works for single files or multiple files at once and is great when you already have the file visible. If your file is already stored in the cloud or if it's large, use Google Drive. Next to the paperclip, click the triangular Google Drive icon. A window will open showing your drive. Choose the file you want and confirm. Gmail will insert it as a drive item, which is perfect for bigger files and keeps your email lightweight. Just remember, recipients need permission to view drive files, so make sure the sharing settings allow the people you're emailing to access the file. A quick note on size: standard attachments sent directly with the paperclip are typically limited to around 25 megabytes. If your files are bigger, Gmail will automatically switch to sending them via Drive, which is normal and expected. That's all there is to it. Click Compose, attach with the paperclip or drag and drop, or use Google Drive for files already online or for larger items. Once your files are attached and you're ready, send your email as usual.